Don't hit yourself with it.
Ooh, fresh.
It's already broken. She needs a new one.
There you go, Judy. That was a good picture.
Oh, I got the video going.
Okay. She looks fast. She looks fasting.
When it was full size and she had it going over her head, that was funny.